What's going on, guys? Aaron Baker here at Awake Window and Door Company. Today we're going to be going over our Series 505 hinged door. Our hinge door come in two different hinge configurations. We offer a continuous or piano hinge, and as well as a 3-knuckle hinge assembly. Our 3-knuckle hinge assembly has a lot more built-in adjustment that you can do out in the field versus the piano, which is a little more invasive if you need to perform any adjustments. I'll go ahead and go over our 3-knuckle hinge adjustment with you now. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to perform the adjustment on our 3-knuckle hinge. I'm gonna go ahead and use either a flathead screwdriver or a small pry bar. And say we need to adjust compression on our side hinge door, we're gonna go ahead and pry the bottom cap off of the hinge assembly. I'm gonna take my castellated tool and I'm gonna adjust that bottom hinge assembly to achieve more compression on this leaf. Say we need to adjust that leaf side to side. This one's a little more tricky. We're gonna wanna swing that leaf open past 90 degrees, remove the beauty cover on the hinge, and that'll expose a small Allen fastener in the middle of that hinge assembly. We're gonna go ahead and adjust that for more compression or less. And say we need to move this leaf up and down in the opening. We're gonna pry that top cap off of the hinge, taking our castellated tool and adjust clockwise or counterclockwise to move that leaf up or down in the opening, whatever you need to do to meet your field conditions. Now that we've wrapped up that adjustment, appreciate you guys coming, watching this video. Make sure that you like and subscribe. We have more videos in the works, more content coming your way. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video or any other video, make sure to reach out to me directly at service@awakewdc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you guys again.